Hey everyone, hope you are doing great because today we are diving into how to turn long videos into scroll-stopping clips. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by the editing process, this guide is going to show you how to streamline your workflow using Vizard. The basic concept is simple. This tool automatically analyzes your long videos to find the most engaging and viral-worthy moments. Instead of spending hours manually trimming your content, you let the automation handle the heavy lifting of clip discovery. To get started, head over to the platform and sign up, which will immediately allow you to upload your first project file. Once your video is uploaded, the AI gets to work analyzing the timeline and surfacing suggested clips for you to review. Think of this workflow as having an editor who does the first pass for you so you can focus on the creative finishing touches. Inside the dashboard, you will find your library, which is where all those auto-generated shorts will live once they are processed. Your main workflow is straightforward. Upload your raw footage, review the suggestions, make a few tweaks, and hit publish. When choosing which clips to keep, look for the confidence score or the virality indicator to help guide your decision-making process. If you are experimenting with new ideas and want to keep things private, you can easily toggle your workspace settings. I personally like to do a quick first pass where I thumbs up or thumbs down the AI suggestions to help train the system. Then, during the second pass, you can start riffing on the clips by adjusting lengths and adding your own unique style. Remember that aspect ratio matters a lot, so make sure you switch to 9:16 for platforms like TikTok or Reels. One of the most powerful features is the auto-editing tool, which basically builds your stack of clips automatically. It might not be perfect on the first go, but you can always re-roll or manually adjust the cut with just a few quick clicks. If you want more control over the pacing, you can adjust the highlight sensitivity to focus on more energetic or more informative segments. While AI tools are incredibly efficient, tools like Premiere still offer that extra layer of pixel-perfect control when you need it. I often find that combining the auto-discovery of Vizard with a quick polish in my favorite editing software gives the best results. Once you have your polished clips ready, you can jump into the scheduling side to automate your posting calendar. The system can even optimize your posting times based on engagement patterns, which is massive for growing your audience. Having that bird's eye view of your content calendar is a total game changer for staying consistent across different social platforms. Make sure you use the analytics to see what is working so you can refine your strategy for the next batch of uploads. It really is an iterative loop where you upload, generate, post, analyze, and then refine your approach based on real feedback. Remember that Vizard is designed to remove the repetitive tasks of clip finding, not necessarily to replace your creative editorial eye. Do yourself a favor and let the AI handle the heavy lifting for that first pass, but always keep your human touch on the final edits. Also, try to maintain visual continuity by using custom thumbnails that look good across your entire series of clips. Your files remain safe in your private workspace, and you can easily track different versions as you iterate on your content. If you want to see a deep dive into how I edited the montage at the start of this video, let me know in the comments. Finally, hit the like button if this was helpful and subscribe so you do not miss out on more practical short-form growth tips. Until next time, keep creating and do not let the editing process be the thing that slows you down.